Hey everyone, check out the Etomiel 6-inch large faux fur pompoms, perfect for adding a cozy touch to your winter accessories. Each set includes 10 soft and fluffy pompoms in vibrant colors like gray, blue, purple, and more, giving you plenty of options for your DIY projects. Made from high-quality synthetic faux fur, these pompoms offer a luxurious feel and elegant look. They come with elastic loops that make attaching them to hats, scarves, bags, and keychains super easy and secure. Beyond fashion, these versatile pompoms are great for decorating crochet hats, gloves, shoes, and even Christmas trees. Cleaning is simple too. Just toss them in a mesh laundry bag for a quick wash, then fluff them up with a hairdryer. Add a fun and stylish flair to all your winter gear with these charming faux fur pompoms. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.